Okay, let's go. Okay.
You landed an internship, or maybe you're this close to applying, but now you're wondering, wait, what do I actually wear? What's the vibe? Is this Zoom only, or do I have to go outside? No worries, in this video we're breaking down everything from internship types to dress codes and professional etiquette, so you can show up with confidence and look good too.
Paid internships are awesome. Experience plus a paycheck, yes please, but unpaid internships can still bring value if you're gaining skills, connections, or even course credit. Just make sure it works for you. It's important to consider your current situation and how the opportunity will fit into that. If it's unpaid, will you still be able to cover your expenses? Is the position local or will you have to relocate? Make sure you're clear on the answers to questions like these before accepting the offer.
Internships are more career-focused. You're diving into work that aligns with your future goals, marketing, data, engineering, you name it. And heads up, internships look different in every industry. A creative internship might have flexible hours and cool projects. A healthcare one might require scrubs and a set schedule. It all depends on the field, so choose what fits your style and your career path. Make sure to check out video on internship search strategies to find a position that aligns with you.
Now let's talk about virtual and hybrid internships. These are more common in this day and age, and the rules are a little different. Stay professional, yes, even from your bedroom. That means log in early, keep your camera on when possible, stay engaged, like actually listen, communicate clearly, Slack, email, Zoom, it all counts.
Speaking of showing up, let's talk outfits. What to wear? Easy answer. When in doubt, keep it clean, simple, and professional. Ask your supervisor about the dress code. Business casual is usually safe, but if it's virtual, at least make sure the top half says, "I'm a pro." Also, no pajamas on Zoom.
Finally, etiquette matters. Stay on time, ask questions, say please and thank you. And if you don't know something, say so. Internships are about learning, not pretending you already know everything.
Whether you're remote, in person, or somewhere in between, the best thing you can do is show up prepared and ready to learn. You've got this. And if you're still not sure where to start, AC Career Services is here to help.